Hi, I'm Siddharth Agrawal. I'm engineer IT.
Hello, I am Shomik Roy. I am a doctor by profession. Welcome to our video. Siddharth, anyone, engineer in India, what are the first initial steps for him or her?
Yeah, so I understand many people, many audience who are seeing this video are still in the phase of thinking about what are the initial steps, can I really make it up to work in Germany or not. So my dear friends, I have only a few suggestions that you must initiate today only. Just after viewing this video you should initiate it. First of all, I'll tell you a couple of websites that you must visit, and you must thoroughly visit. This is not like just you are reading a newspaper. You should read every point in mentioned in those websites. So the first website is Make It in Germany. So this is the website which is actually run by government of Germany, German government, and they are actually inviting people from all across the world. It's not only from India, and they'll give you the real true picture of how the life looks like in Germany, what are the initial steps that you have to do, and what are the hurdles that you are probably going to face. So
Okay.
that Make It in Germany, I'll write it in the description as well. So that person should initially see that.
I have heard about that something called Arbeitsagentur in terms of engineer to come to Germany. What is actually that? Can you
Yeah,
put some light?
that's actually the second website that I wanted to mention here. Arbeitsagentur. So this concept I would like to narrate here. See what happens if, let's say, if I'll take my own example. I was in India in 2017, for example. I searched Google and I went into this website. This website is again a German government's website. Yeah. So first of all, the best part is it is absolutely free of cost.
Oh, that's good.
That's like in Hindi we call it as andhe ki lathi. That is what it is for us, because in this website you will find all genuine information, all genuine openings, and the best part is a human being, a human that is a German agent will be allocated to you, and he is a government official, not a private person.
So he takes no money.
No money,
Oh,
absolutely,
that's great.
absolutely free of cost. Yeah, that's the biggest advantage, and you can actually interact with that person, have multiple Skype sessions or Zoom call meetings, and he will or she will guide you step by step. So that is the one that is like uh, I have seen that people don't know about it, but that's the most important thing that one should get into.
So Siddharth, you wanted to mean that that person will be appointed for you only.
Yes.
So he will be answerable for all your questions, all your doubts and
Yes,
processing.
yes. You can actually, he will be like a personal assistant for you, and he will guide you. He'll actually hold your hands till you are into job in Germany.
Yeah.
Now, there is one small problem here, not related to money, but related to time. See, what happens, still in Germany, the passwords are sent over post, letter post, paper post, not over emails.
Okay.
So for this website, you can create your password, but the activation code will be sent over post.
That from Germany to India will come
That's
by
right.
post. Okay.
Or anyone, if you are watching from Bangladesh, Pakistan, any other country, they will be sending this activation code over post to your country, and that you can understand. It will take minimum 20 days time. Yeah. So that's why I say, if you have seen this video, right away after this video, you should log on to this Make It in Germany and this Arbeitsagentur and create a profile for yourselves, because it may happen, because in my case it so happened that I made 3 attempts and only in the last attempt I actually received post in my address. Because it's coming, it's a simple envelope, it's coming from all the way 7,000 kilometers from Germany to India.
It will take some time, but definitely you will receive it. That's why it's better, Imar, always to start as early as possible.
Yes, right.
The next question is that how an engineer, after coming to Germany or before coming to Germany from India, how can he search for the jobs?
Yeah, well, I'll be narrating everything when somebody is in India only or in any other country, not in Germany.
Yeah.
Because once you land into Germany, your life will absolutely change.
Yeah.
And then everything will, you have to be on fire all the times. You have to be searching for a job. You have to be cost saving mode.
Naturally, yeah.
So many things will change. So once you are in India or any other country and you are still searching for a job in Germany, there are a few websites that will assist you for your job search. Now I won't narrate every website because there are more than 2 dozen such Stepstone,
right,
Indeed, so many blah 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 blah. But I'll talk about one site that is known as Zing. Yeah,
Okay,
Zing,
Zing.de.
Zing.de. Yeah, So before that, there is a disclaimer from my side. I'm not a sponsorer or a promoter of any website or
Yeah,
any product.
naturally,
So
yeah.
please take it as my own personal views,
Experience
yeah,
or
and
views, yeah.
opinions, yeah. So friends, you must be aware about LinkedIn, and most likely everybody is on LinkedIn.
Yeah, everyone,
But
yeah.
for Germany, when you talk about, especially for Germany, Germans are more inclined towards their own product. And to the best of my information, Zing is actually a German product.
Oh,
Yeah. So, as far as I have seen in my personal experience, most of the German companies had contacted me only over Zing and not over LinkedIn. Yeah. So, make it a point. Make a profile on Zing.
mm-hmm.
Of course, you keep your profile on LinkedIn as well. But if you are actually targeting only Germany, then Zing is the one which will be of more help to you as compared to LinkedIn. That is my personal opinion. I don't want to offend LinkedIn guys also.
Yeah, yeah,
If somebody from
definitely.
LinkedIn views this, then
That
please,
is a personal
yeah.
view from Siddharth.
Yeah.
He is just narrating his own experience.
That's right,
Yeah.
correct. So these Germans are more inclined towards Zing, and for international recruitments, like Germany is full of international companies, so they will be, you know, their recruiters are on LinkedIn also, so that both works.
Siddharth, one question comes in my mind that I have heard that in Zing or in LinkedIn also, there is some premium profile also
Yeah,
and there is
yeah.
some free profiles. So
That's
can you
right.
narrate the difference or what is what actually?
Yeah, yeah, that's a good question. See, so let's talk about Zing. So if you pay, if you make a profile, a paid profile in Zing, there is a premium stamp that comes over your name. And whenever you send your contact request to your HR or recruiter or anybody, he or she will see that there is a premium stamp over your name. So they will definitely take your contact request seriously
I
as
see.
compared to ones without that premium stamp. Yeah. So now here I would rather advise that you should go for this premium account, but then again you need not go for a year-long premium account. Yeah, you
Okay.
can just try with a 3 months package or 1 month
Short
package, short
duration
duration,
package, yeah.
and that too, guys. I would suggest you keep an eye on German festivals. Why? Because when there is a German festival like Easter, Weihnachten, or any other Christmas, there is a huge discount on Zing. You can actually get your profiles for less than 50%
Have you
price
also
also.
got something like that?
The first profile
Okay.
that I
Okay,
created,
then
I
for
mean,
the viewers, point to be noted.
yeah. So always keep an eye on the offers that Zing is giving you, and when it is like 50%, then you please go it for 3 months minimum, and then you feel the difference. And in case if you are satisfied, then you can go
You
further
can buy
also.
other further
Yeah.
options, yeah.
So likewise in LinkedIn also the premium profiles plays a lot of role, and believe me guys, if you are seriously thinking of going for a job in Germany or you're changing your present job, this actually pays for the price. So I'll recommend this going for premium accounts.
Hello Siddharth, I have a very interesting question that I have heard there are pretty many consultants, India-based consultants, who are actually promising that we'll put you a job, we'll give you a job in Germany, but the charge is around 30,000 to 40,000. They charge something like that. Uh, what, in your opinion, what do you think that? What do you think about it?
Friends, your journey from point 1 to point 100, that is point 1 is when you are actually thinking about working in Germany, and point 100 when you are in Germany and working there, the whole process you have to go through alone only. Nobody will ever help you out, and you have to fight your own battle.
I
Yeah.
see.
So even for your job search, nobody can help you out, only you yourself have to fight it. And if anybody promises you or even says that we charge you 30,000 to arrange a interview with HR,
Mm-hmm.
to the best of my information, that is 110% fake. You'll only
Ah,
end up with a big
okay.
hole in your pocket, and you'll end up only with a bunch of frustrated thoughts
So
and
it's a big no. You mean?
absolute no. And that's why on the start only I told you about the free websites and the German sponsored websites. They are 110% genuine, and not a single penny they will be charging you.
Actually, as far as I know, German government also pays to no consultants or no office for recruiting people from India or other lands.
Yes,
German itself is a country with government supported everything.
that's right.
So from health to office jobs and everything. So they don't pay to any consultants for getting German doctor for getting Indian doctors or Indian engineers. So
That's
in my
right.
point of view, also that it should
Yeah.
be free.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
free. See, I'm a live example. From day one to day 100, when I was thinking about my job in Germany and I am in job,
Hmm.
I never paid even a single rupee to any consultant and anything. Yeah,
That's great.
yeah. One more thing, guys. I also faced one case wherein a consultant approached one of my friend, and he didn't charge anything.
Mm-hmm.
But what he said is, once you are landed in a job in Germany, you have to pay 300 euros every month as my fees for 1 year.
Okay.
Just imagine. So this is another case of fraud. See, you are on job and you are not supposed to pay even a single penny to any other person than German government as taxes. So if anybody is asking you for any such favors or asking for some stuff like this, because till now whatever you have achieved, that you have achieved on your own, and there is absolutely no role of any such consultants who will hold your hand and go to the HR and get your job done. It's nothing like that. So you have to make sure that you should not fall trap into all this stuff.
Right.
Yeah.